Most of you guys are proficient barbecuers, pizza makers. You don't need me to show you how to make a dough. But all this is doing is kind of, with the Charlie oven, who's going to show you in different uses of that oven today. And also the use of superb winter ingredients.
It's very expensive as chef says it, it's simple.
Yeah.
It's a lovely strong flour like you would for any pasta doughs. There's olive oil, and then there's just, I've used dried yeast. As a rule I try not to, because I prefer fresh yeast to kind of prove in the fridge overnight. Yeah, I think it adds a nicer flavour, but I mean everyone uses convenience yeast. So yesterday I made a little white truffle bechamel. You don't need me to show you the white sauce, make your white sauce, but this has got a bit of truffle oil running through, some cracked black pepper, a little bit of parmesan, and all I want to do to add to that now, to make it more malleable, and also enrich it slightly a little bit more, is add the mascarpone in there. So as you can see, it's not too thick anyway. It's the white pizza base. I think when you get to the recipe itself, I haven't put mascarpone in there. I think when I was out and about looking at ingredients yesterday. I wanted to kind of add it in just to kind of lighten it up. I'll put a load of teaspoons in here in a minute, and we'll just spread it around. This is a rustic pizza. I don't care if it's round or if it's whatever shape it is. It'll eat deliciously well. I mean, you can all see, so I've got a little bit of smoked Bavarian cheese here. And this is the cheese that I did when I did the white truffle pizzas. We've got Serano ham.
Oh, Serano ham.
So you can obviously, you can go with any cured meat you want. Initially I said I was going to do wild boar, and I couldn't get my hands on any cured wild boar, so I thought I'd just kind of, a bit like all these recipes, they're super flexible.
3, voila. Okay.
Coming up.
Oh, it smells good as well.
Yeah, it is. Probably not the one that the best pasta for tonight. You do?
Oh my goodness.
Oh.